Welcome dear students to online classes, Standard 5th, Subject EVS 1, Lesson number 20, Our Emotional World, Part 2. In previous video, we have learned about emotion must be expressed. There must be a balance between our thoughts and emotion. Can you tell? Ranjit and Abhay are fighting over who get to sit on first bench. They are both very angry. They are close to throwing each other back. What could you do? Classmate or as your friend, you have to try to understand them properly. Hemant wants to take part in Kabaddi competition, but he is shy. He is nervous about telling it to the teacher. What could you do? So, you can build up your friend confidence to tell your teacher about Kabaddi competition. Rekha accidentally took Nisha's book home. So what could you do when such thing happen, when you realize that this thing is happened with me? So you have to return your book when you go to school on next day. Angry is an emotion such like happiness or sadness. All of us get angry about something at some point of time. We get angry if something does not happen according to our wishes or if we are insulted. Similarly, we also angry if we see someone being ill-treated. If we get angry very often or if we cannot control our anger, it can have adverse effect on our body and mind. We become short-tempered and stubborn. Our attitude of cooperation and understanding decreases and we hurt others. We face consequences such as headache, loss of sleep and dullness. Awareness of our own flaws means mistake. Children are often heard to say, "My handwriting is beautiful. I am good at maths. I like science," or "I like poetry." It means that people likes and dislikes our capabilities can be different. Means children must have different hobbies like singing, dancing, playing keyboard. So we can understand that what we can do or what we cannot do. So we have to improve our ways. What we do not like, so we have to improve that. We may be good at some subject, arts or sport and just as bad at another. We must know our flaws as well as our talent. Talent means skill. So that we can improve upon them. Just because we are unable to do something, it does not mean that we can stop trying to excel at what we can do. Means if you do not know a particular subject, it's okay. But you have to work hard for that thing. You have to do excellent in that subject which you do not know. We can change. For example, if we are write with a pencil in a notebook, we can rub with a rubber. So, we must always think about the good qualities and virtues in our friend first. If we speak about our flaws as openly and we can speak about our talent, it will be our own advantages. When we have done mistake, so we have to speak openly with our parents or with our friends. Once you know the flaws in our nature, we must try to correct them ourselves. Means it is not how we make mistake but how we correct them that defined us. Neha was talking in a group too much. When he realized that, she told his friend that stop me if I talk too much. Gradually, Neha began to listen to others and brought about the changes in her own behavior. And afterwards, Neha became a best friend. If we are lacking back, so always make a necessary changes in our behavior. Manoj said, "I am going to school," and instead goes to playground to play. Is it correct? No. If there is school, you have to go to school. And if there is a playtime, then you should go to playground to play. Second, what will you tell a friend who had a habit of borrowing things and not returning them on time? When you borrow something from other, you should return it back. Student, if you want to change or you have to remain same in your life is up till you. That you have to change your personality. I hope everyone understood this lesson. Thank you.